Hello children, welcome to Gauri Ma'am's class. Shall we sing a rhyme now? Are you all ready for the rhyme? Here we go. Hickety pickety my black hen lays eggs for gentlemen, sometimes 9 and sometimes 10. Hickety pickety my black hen. Children, let's sing it once again. All of you sing along with me. Hickety pickety my black hen lays eggs for gentlemen, sometimes 9 and sometimes 10. Hickety pickety my black hen. Children, now it's time for the story. Let's listen to a story now. Children, look here. Some farm animals are there inside the classroom. Shahana Ma'am has taught you about the farm animals, isn't it? So which animals are these? Can you tell me? These are the sheep. These are the sheep. So now we are going to learn the story of the 3 sheep. Are you all ready for the story? What is the name of the story, children? The name of the story is The 3 Sheep. And what are their names? The name of the first sheep is Ben. He is Ben. Alright. And the name of the second sheep is Jen. And the name of the third sheep is Ken. Alright children. Now the 3 sheep, they lived together. Once upon a time, there lived the 3 sheep, Ben, Jen and Ken, next to a river. There was a big hill. The 3 sheep, they wanted to eat the grass on the hill on the other side of the river. They had to cross the river by walking on the bridge. Can you see a bridge over here? To eat the grass on the other side of the hill, the 3 sheep, Ben, Jen, Ken, they had to cross the river by walking on the bridge. So now here comes Ben, the smallest sheep. Ben is the smallest among all the sheep. So he decided to walk on the bridge. Alright, see now, the Ben came on the bridge and started walking. What happened now? A monster came suddenly to eat Ben. Hey, I'm very hungry. I'm going to eat you. No. I'm very small. You can't eat me. My brother is bigger than me. You can eat him. Said? Who said? Ben. And the monster let Ben cross the bridge. The Ben had crossed the bridge now. And now Jen coming on the bridge. He started to walk on the bridge. Then what happened? Suddenly, the monster climbed the bridge. I am going to eat you, the monster said. And Jen said, no, my brother is bigger than me. You can eat him, said Jen. Alright, children. Now, what did the monster do? He let Jen also cross the bridge. The Jen crossed the bridge. And now it Ken's turn. The Ken started to walk on the bridge. He was walking on the bridge, and what happened? All of a sudden, a monster appeared on the bridge. And he was very happy to see the big sheep. Ha 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 ha, I'm going to eat you up. And now what did Ken do? He pushed the monster into the river with his horns. And now the monster fell into the river. Where did the monster fall? The monster fell into the river. Now Ken walked on the bridge and crossed the river. And now all the three sheep, Ben, Jen, Ken, were all of them together, and they were very happy. They ate the grass on the other side of the hill. They played together and had lots of fun. Now, children, tell me, what did you understand from the story? When there is any trouble, we should think wisely. Then you have one more moral. Ken was very strong, isn't it? He was strong, very strong. Why did he become strong? Because he ate healthy food. And you should also become strong. When will you become strong? When Mama gives you food and milk, you should eat them. And if you eat them, you become strong and healthy, isn't it? Will you obey your Mama? Alright, now children, let's recite a rhyme and have fun. Children, look here, I've got some peanuts for you. Do you like peanuts? I love peanuts. Peanuts are very healthy and tasty. I'm going to share these peanuts with you. But before that, shall we sing a rhyme on peanuts? Let's start. Found a peanut, found a peanut, found a peanut just now. Cracked it open, cracked it open, cracked it open just now. Ate the peanut, ate the peanut, ate the peanut just now. Very tasty, I'm happy just now. Come and sing along with me, children. Found a peanut, found a peanut, found a peanut just now. Cracked it open, cracked it open, cracked it open just now. Ate the peanut, ate the peanut, ate the peanut just now. Very tasty, I'm happy just now. Children, learn the rhyme and sing it to your Papa and Mama. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.